All right, boys, we're back at the shop. We had a fantastic shakedown run. I mean, this thing did better than I could have expected. I got a couple things I got to address: rear bumper, a little bit of a skid plate, and a few other things, because in a week or so I'm going to the Rubicon. I'm just gonna send it. A couple of my buddies are going, and I just decided why not. This thing did great at Hollister, and I think it can do it, so might as well. I'm gonna take some spare parts, but first things first, I gotta add some protection to the sensitive parts on this truck, and we're just gonna send it. So stay tuned.
Start it up. lit.
How am I getting it back on there, you ask? Have I got a surprise for you? I have no idea, but stick around to find out. Now, I know what you're thinking, guys. This and this are not going to be enough to hold this bumper on. But don't worry, because I got these bad boys that I cut up earlier. You saw me cut them up earlier. They're going to go right here. Going to get welded in there nice. And that's going to hold up these right here. So, time to get this bad boy on there. Oh boys, here it is. Finished product. I didn't film it before I went to the Rubicon, so you're getting the first look after the Rubicon. And let me tell you what, it is a good thing I built this bumper. The bumper itself looks really great. I love the way it looks. It's super simple. It probably isn't as strong as it should be. It took a beating, unbelievable beating. I dropped this thing off ledges like you wouldn't believe. But that being said, it did flex a little bit, and it flexed up into the body and then flexed back. So it still maintains its original shape. It just got into the body a little bit, which is to be expected. This thing is going to be a dedicated rock crawler, so I'm not super worried about it. But, you know, moving forward, I might add another tube. She took an absolute beating. I mean, an absolute beat. I folded this tow hook over. Bumper came out fantastic. Really looks great. I also didn't show you the finished product on the front skid plate. That turned out great. I was able to put it in my press brake, and well, I'll just show you. We radiused this front edge here. Really nice radius. And we bent up the sides here. So that thing turned out pretty nice. Well, boys, that's gonna do it for this video. Look forward to the next video, which will be the Rubicon trip, which turned out incredible. I am so ecstatic. So we'll see you on the next one.